Alright, so this is a front brake lever off the 2018 KTM 300. I broke this like literally I think the first week that I had my bike. I had dropped it down with their hand guards on, and I should have known better. I should have had my good ones. I have not broke a lever since I had wraparound hand guards. So I'm going to weld this up as a spare. I already kind of ground it down. This is some sort of aluminum. I'm sure it's nothing special. But I've welded some before. They came out decent. Nothing great, but for a spare lever, this is going to work. So let me go and weld it with the Miller Dynasty. Alright, got it welded up. Use 100 amps. Well, focus. I'm going to go and take a little grinder wheel, smooth it out, and I'll show you guys the final results.